sorry. This levels. This is a pretty good game. Well, I'll probably link it in the description, but like, we should play the game now. Smiley face real quick. Oh, I'm just seeing you like hold everything and like from behind, and I did like, it's terrifying. I swear you're about to turn around with frickin' Glock or something.
What? Run around with a Glock? I'll do you one better.
Oh dang. Okay. Oh. It's the NASCAR.
How much milk do you have?
4,000.
You take everything then.
Okay.
I
Yeah,
have
I
7,000.
think like it's crazy how milk is the main currency in this game.
Howdy.
No reaction?
I will leave! Don't test me!
Okay. Did you sell him anything good?
Damn it, cut it out! I will leave! Don't test me!
Yeah, you've already said that.
Damn it, cut it out!
You already said that.
What?
No, that's also new. They shows where it goes now.
I hear a guy somewhere.
Oh, you hear a guy crying. Oh no, I forgot. They're like they use echolocation, I think, or something like that. Or they're blind or something. I don't know. They use something because echolocation.
Yeah.
That means they wouldn't have to like AOCS. Yo, Brian, you have bro. Nice. Okay,
I got you,
genuinely-
bro. Oh my god!
I didn't know there was a second one.
Another one up there.
Okay.
Wait, let's
Okay.
just not go up there.
Oh, is there another one up there?
Yeah.
Okay.
He came running towards the gunshots, but
Dude, on my hotbar,
I don't
there's
think he can go downstairs.
on my hotbar, the triple barrel is like fused with a Bloxy-Gola. Okay, so there's a guy over there, so we can probably kill that guy.
Well, before we attack him, let's... There's another...
Because that one's glitched.
Yeah. Do we, want to... We attracted a different one.
Oh my gosh,
That-
nice.
Holy shit. You attracted... Like, I saw him running at me, like, after I switched my weapons. I... fucking... panic swapped back to the fucking... 50 cal.
That's a good thing to panic swap back to. Ooh, okay, this is where I like the music. Here.
What
Next,
is this place?
it's the Grand Encounter.
Oh,
Speaking of pressure, we should play pressure at some point.
We should.
Especially with Zeal basically having his name
Especially
cleared.
that, yeah, everything with Zeal is cleared.
Which you can, like, I feel like... Okay, actually, I'm not gonna get into it right now. That's just not a smart
I-
idea.
Honestly, I don't feel that bad about it. About, like, the fact that it's Ren that made the music. Because, like, all the music is kind of copied from Ultrakill.
Yeah,
So, like, a lot of it is.
but the frickin' the Operation Heartburn music is made by a completely different person. So,
Okay.
I mean, that's like the only, that's like, yeah, yes, yeah. Oh, good, it's you.
Listen, look, me and... This level we're in is mostly safe and peaceful, and the HEO wants it to stay like that. However, this level does have one problem. There is an entity, and while it's only one entity, it harasses anyone who enters this level, and it's pretty hard to avoid. I've spent a lot of my time creating a weapon that can kill this entity. However, it
Just
has not been
tweaking.
used yet
Well, this
since
guy just
everyone who
frickin'
tries seems to die.
Yaps.
And that's where you come in. See,
Bleh.
other humans and digitals respawn just like you. However, it is an extremely painful process. It feels like you're swimming in lava,
Oh,
hitting
okay, I didn't know we were able to just skip his voice lines.
this is like peak cinema though.
Oh yeah. And then more without reason, I guess.
Yeah, this is definitely inspired by War Without Reason.
Say the last part is like slightly original, or it is original because it has the organs.
Yuri Gabriel. POV, you're having the hardest fucking encounter of your life on Ultrakill. Meanwhile, Gabriel killing it on the fucking organs in the background.
Right. I need to turn the audio down real quick.
Where's she looking? I love how you just go faster here as well.
Yeah. Shelter music back up just a little bit. So this is the good part.
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm cooked. No! No, please! Oh, it's fine. Okay. I got stuck on a freaking railing. Ah, I should just kill myself for the bit. Okay, I'm gonna have to think of the ICBM silo. Security system is 2 NASCARs apparently. Nice.
It won't leave me alone. You know, like, it literally won't look off of me, dude. Oh.
What is that? Just like
I guess I don't need to be there anymore for you to.
well, yeah, I guess it's just okay. Fair enough. I was
You
just
should
gonna.
require everybody there.
Is this human fatigue? Is that what this level's called?
Maybe.
Okay, now we have the worst level in the game.
Marshall?
Yep.
All of my stuff is gone.
Bro. It's kind of BS.
Check my home core. Everything's gone.
Even in the home core?
No, all the food in my home cores, everything in my home core is there, but everything on me is gone.
That's so stupid. Okay, how am I able to drop
Well,
stuff?
I don't.
How much milk do you have?
7,000.
Okay. Are you able to drop stuff? Do you know? Oh, yes, you can. Here, I'll do this in the meantime.
No, I'll take it.
Okay.
Because it doesn't matter the weapons we have here. If we don't have a Barrett, then we can't kill
Oh, no,
it.
I was just giving you that to, like, you know. Because there's still the,
I'll just fucking buy something when we
no, there's still the guy that appears behind you and murders you.
have a knife.
Oh, fair enough. I mean, you just gotta remember that the screaming is the, it's spawning.
For the first scream is it spawning, and the
Yeah.
second scream is it despawning. I think it's
So
best
it's
just for us to not side
hide
hop.
around these corners.
But this is like scarier than like any of the.
Open every door you find.
Yep.
Anyway.
This is like the scariest part of like any horror game I've played. Because you're in here.
Really
Yeah.
is, dude.
Yeah, because like freaking if you're in here for too long, I think it just becomes like it just stays here forever. And then so you have
Yeah.
the idle, like the freaking the ambience of the room taker being there, and it's terrifying.
Yeah.
Because you could just hear it groaning from afar.
And another
Pause.
part of the scare factor is the fact. Okay. Is the fact that you know that you can kill it with a certain weapon,
Hmm.
but you don't have that weapon.
Yeah. You're defenseless, pretty much. Okay, so I didn't realize it existed, so I was like, oh, maybe it's just a jump scare one, because those do exist. And it was not a jump scare one. It just started running straight towards me.
Jump scare is what like spawns it initially.
Okay. Just gotta wait it out.